We found really good trades. We bought at the bottom edge. We distributed it, pulled back. I didn't quite get back into it, but we then took a top line. Take a look at the 2s, 10s and tell me what's happening here. I don't know. Take a look at this, guys. Look at that. Surely to God, that bull steepener must be a sell opportunity for everybody, right? Must be. So, well, it was. So we got short, and we're making some really nice money on it. Thank you very much. Easy money, good trade. Just picking up the monies, keeping it pretty much straight through. No real challenges to this storyline. Just the same as this morning. There was a very easy short with exactly the same reason. A good wholesome bull steepener this morning got a short into the London Open. We got a nice rip to the downside. So obviously playing out beautifully. So bull steepeners, we've been in a bull steepener actually on a macro chart for some time. So it's been kind of parallel shifting on this one recently. So we've had to be a little bit more careful than we normally would. But I think that's a good price. We closed out our positions the last time at this price. And I think it's a good price to get into that as a short sell. And it has, as I said, turned out to be, well, $500 of pretty nice sell side only profits. And looks like Reeves on board as well at 29s. On Ninja Trader, we got that trade on at zeros, Reeves, zeros. So there's the Ninja Trader on the trade there for the ZB. You can see the entry price there. So it's just a couple of contracts just to show you what we were doing on it. Yeah, paid off okay. I mean, it's a 2 lot, so it's just trying to run a little bit of a pop to the downside here is pretty good, right? So we just popped it in Ninja Trader so that we had something to show. And yep, doing all right. Nice trade, nice easy money.